In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages in Microsoft Teams chat. Whether you're new to Teams or a seasoned user, there might come a time when you need to remove a message from a chat, whether it's because of an error, a change of mind, or simply to keep things tidy. Luckily, the process is straightforward and can be accomplished with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, begin by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you've launched Teams, you'll want to navigate to the Chat tab. This tab is typically located on the sidebar of the main Teams interface and is where you'll find your recent conversations. Locate and open the specific chat conversation from which you wish to delete a message. It could be a one-on-one chat, a group chat, or a channel conversation. Whichever it may be, the procedure remains the same. Now find the message you wish to delete. Hover your mouse over the message. As you do this, you'll notice a few icons appear. This is part of Teams' user-friendly design, allowing you to interact with any message. Among these icons, look for the More Options icon, which typically appears as 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this icon will bring up a menu with a variety of options. From this menu, select Delete. Don't worry if you're initially hesitant about making the message disappear. Right after you click Delete, you'll see that the content of the message is replaced with the text, "This message was deleted." It's important to clarify that this notification can still be seen by others in the chat, serving as a subtle indicator that a message was removed. This can be particularly useful in group chats, providing context to other members if they've previously seen the message and are now wondering what was there. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a message in Microsoft Teams chat. It's a simple way to manage your conversations more effectively, prevent misunderstandings, or uphold a professional and clean chat environment. If you change your mind or inadvertently delete the wrong message, remember, you can always simply type out a new message to replace or correct the deleted content. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a little refresher. Mastering these small but useful tricks can enhance your efficiency when using Microsoft Teams for your communication needs. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to stay tuned for more insightful guides.